o'clock.
That looks pretty clean. Fluid still looks pretty good. There's a little bit of wear, soot in the bottom, but not bad.
Block sanding and everything out, and what this is an epoxy. It's not any body filler. It's an epoxy 2-part binder, and we use that. I've got all the top done, blocked out. I'm doing this side. Most of all the metal work's done, but we do have little tiny stuff, so I am epoxying some spots. What it'll do is help out, make it a little bit more stiff. Putting the rear back door back together. Put the other doors together, and now let me get by.
A lot of work into the slab hammer, nice little leather. Give it some give. Kind of manipulating the aluminum around with some jewelers, bumpers, planishing hammer, slap hammer. Alright, so we're working on the Land Rover doors. We took the hem seam out all the way across, just unfolded it, and worked it out, put it back on. And sometimes with doors, or well, really any panel that wraps around a structure with a hem seam, you run the chance of developing cracks, especially in sharp points where there's a lot of tension. It's just a nice point for the metal to crack. So on this door specifically, we have a little crack right here. I believe on the other side, it travels up through our radius, and on both the doors, the corner's cracked. So just one of the things that you run into with working out panels nicely and removing them from structures, but it's the best way to do it. So
you take a little bit of it at a time down, and that way you don't get any kind of waves or manipulation in the other side of the skin. Sometimes if you roll them too fast, you'll get an edge on the edge of it when somebody creases them too good. So, just got to walk down them and take them down.